how to connect Replit to n8n step by step. If you want to automate your Replit project using n8n, whether you are building bots, apps, or API, this connection can save hours of manual work. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Replit to n8n using this webhook node. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to n8n and open your workflow. Right now, I'm in this workflow and just add a webhook. So why we are using Webhook? Because in n8n we don't have a node separately for Replit. So we will use to get data by the endpoint. Now what you have to do is set up HTTP method to get, and you can change the path to, let's say, Replit, and copy this URL, or you can just start listening and copy this webhook URL. Now, what you have to do is head over to Replit and let's create a example form where I will collect a contact details of the user. So what I'm going to do is I will just describe an app or web app. So create a web app for create a form, not a web app, to collect some personal information. And this is just for example. You can have a lot of like big apps you can connect using Webhook as well. Now, after collecting the information, when users submit the button, then the data will send it to a webhook. Now let's add this webhook URL where we copied from here. Now just I will click on this start and it will start creating our app. So take a few minutes, it will take few seconds to create your app, and let's see if it works or not. Now as we can see here, the Replit has created this form to collect the personal information. Now let's check it out by filling the information. I will add add some email address, phone number, and then we have the address, then add a city, New York, and then state, California, 12345, date of birth. Let's add this. Now let's submit this information and let's check if it is working or not. Now before that, you have to make sure that you have clicked on this listen for the test event. Now, as you can see, the listening for the test event has been started. Now let's submit our information. So wait for a few seconds, submission failed. So if sometimes it gives you error, so what you have to do is paste this error to a Replit and it will fix this. And now let's try again by filling out all our information. New York, Colorado. Let's select the date of birth. Go any random date of birth and submit the information. Let's see, it gave me again an error. So let me fix it. So there was an error because I haven't started listening. So now it will execute. So as you can see here in the output, you can see there is output, and if you scroll down, you'll find the query in the like full name, email address, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, and date of birth. Now let's say if you go and add some different node over here, it will take that output as an input. So you can use this data or piece of data or whatever you have whatever you have sent to the n8n, you can use by here. Now this is how you can connect n8n to Replit. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.